It looks something like this.
Hello gorgeous, welcome back to my channel. We're doing another DIY and this is a big one, probably the biggest DIY that we've ever done. Matt is going to paint the kitchen cabinets. I'm gonna oversee the process because I don't paint. But in case you guys forgot, here are some shots of what the poop brown cabinets look like. I get YouTuber of the year for not getting any before video. At least I got photos. I did get photos. So I'm gonna take you through the process of all of the work that he put into this, and then we're gonna show you the grand reveal. And this is a Joanna Gaines level of reveal in my opinion, because the kitchen looks so good. We are officially beginning the project. He's taken all of the cabinets down, and are you gonna prime them tonight?
Maybe.
This is an early anniversary gift to me.
Yes.
Okay. We have the first coat on. And walk back to the other side of the kitchen. So you guys can see it has made a dramatic difference in the kitchen with the white. Like, it automatically makes it feel like a much larger, brighter space. It's quite mind-blowing. It looks so much better. I can't even believe it. And I also cannot believe how messy my cabinets are. Like, I am so type A. Like, I like everything to be perfect in my cabinets. And I look like I'm a hot mess. And if you didn't know, that cabinet right there is Kenny's. Oh my gosh, it makes such a huge difference. Unbelievable. It's like 10:30 at night, so the house is quiet right now. Kenny's asleep and I've got the robot vacuum running in there. So I'm gonna take you out to the garage because this is where Matt has built his workshop, and let's see what he's doing out here. All right, Mr. Lanter, can you explain the method of madness here?
So these are,
The cabinet doors, obviously.
yeah, so I'm gonna spray them.
You essentially put tiny little, what are those called? The screw, just hooks, screw hooks?
Yeah, they're like little tiny hooks that have the screw ends on them.
And you did 2 on each one, and then,
Yeah, take a little tiny drill bit, you drill a pilot hole, and you gotta drill on the side or the top and the bottom that won't be showing to the top cabinets, you put them in the top.
Uh-huh.
You'll never see it in the bottom cabinets, you put them in the bottom. Because you'll never see. So you just screw those things in and hang them on
plastic cheapy hangers.
screw them in and then hang them on plastic cheapy hangers so I can have access 360 to the cabinet.
Where did you come up with this?
I saw one.
Oh, did you?
Instead of like spraying one side, waiting for it to dry, flipping it, spray it, flip it, you know what I mean?
It's
just,
quite genius, actually.
Yeah.
So, okay, you already cleaned these down, and you used what? This
I put cleaner, deglosser.
deglosser? Where is it?
It's right there. Deglosser and cleaner.
So we
I
used-
sanded them a little bit.
Okay.
And also very important,
Yeah, you can tell that they're kind of sanded now.
very important, I numbered them.
Yes.
And now I covered the numbers with tape, so when I can uncover the tape after they've been sprayed to see what cabinet it is.
That's so smart. And then you also took all the hardware off and put them in baggies with numbers on them too.
Yeah,
So
those
because
need
we
to
have
be-
22 doors, which is a lot for as small of a kitchen as we have. We have a lot of
Wow.
cabinet space.
The hinges need cleaned and painted, so I don't know. We have to put them in a crock pot with like vinegar.
Okay.
Grease off.
Okay. And we have not come to an agreement yet on hardware because I'd like new pools and he doesn't want to do new pools, so we'll see. So right there, that is 22 doors. And it's like 10:30 at night. You're just now getting started on this.
We got a kid.
Yeah, we do have a kid. And it's our wedding anniversary, our 7th anniversary, and Matt has been working on the kitchen all day. Hashtag parent life. Okay, looking at the color today and Morning Light, and that's just the primer, and it's Sherwin-Williams Creamy, right?
Yeah.
Yeah. I just feel like it's a little too yellow, but I can't tell if it's the light. Let's turn off the lights. Now on the camera, it doesn't look too yellow.
Well, don't look at the camera.
I know, but in my eyeballs, it looks too yellow. I'm just feeling like it's too yellow.
Really? Okay.
Yep. So you are sanding everything down right now, right? But you're gonna roll this. You're not gonna spray this, correct?
Yeah, I'm gonna roll it.
But you're gonna spray the doors.
Yeah, because those are outside.
And you ended up having to buy a new spray gun, right?
Yeah.
Where'd you get it, at Home Depot?
Yep.
And how much was it?
200.
So we decided against
Cheaper ones than that though.
Creamy and we went with Sherwin-Williams Pure White. And I think that that's gonna be a better choice. I hate how yellow this thing is against it, but it is what it is. So you're just roughly sanding this really quickly and then you're gonna paint it?
Yeah, I'm just knocking off like any rough. It's a light sand.
And you already caulked all of the edges, so that's all filled in, right?
Yeah, these I'm gonna have to caulk probably afterwards. I'm done.
Kenny, let me see you paint. Where's your paintbrush? Pick up your paintbrush. Right there. Pick up your paintbrush. Let me see you paint. Got it. Okay, now paint. Are you helping Daddy?
Good job.
Ken, are you helping Daddy? And she's gone. Oh, you needed another brush. Okay, let's see. Let's see you do it. Oh, you are so talented. Good job. Oh, and Soka's in here to help too. So first coat is on over here, and we went with Pure White, and it looks so good. This is gonna look amazing. It does make the backsplash over there, it looks yellow on camera because of the light, but in person, the white of the cabinets actually makes the backsplash look gray, and I don't mind it. Oh, let me put the mask on. Let me see. Put the mask on. Oh, good job. That's exactly how you're supposed to wear it. Cheese. Back out in the garage, and this is the workroom. He's got everything primed. I just helped him sand a little bit, wiped him down, and then he's getting ready to paint. Got some hanging up over there too. Okay, so checking in. Matt got the first coat of white paint up. I'm gonna step all the way back. And it's official. Matt, my mom, and I, all three have paint on our clothes now. But it's looking really, really good. And I have more inspiration than ever to organize these cabinets because they are driving me bonkers. But this room feels about 2 to 3 times larger. It's wild.
Spray finish. Nice.
Okay, we're on day like 4 or 5, and Matt just started putting the cabinets up, and they look unbelievable. Like, absolutely amazing. They don't look painted, they look like brand new. Like, I love it. I'm gonna go ahead and start taking the tape off, and I can't wait. But the hardware, the actual pulls, they don't come till tomorrow, so that will be really exciting to see those go in too. So babe, how do you think they turned out? Amazing.
The finish looks really good. I wish they were a little bit more, had a little bit more of a sheen to them.
I actually like how flat they are. So he did spray paint the hinges white, and the light isn't, this one's scuffed already, but
That's what it is.
yeah, it is. But the light's not really doing it any favors. The hinges are a totally different color white than the
Not really.
cabinets are. I think so in person, but
It's
on
a
camera they
different-
look the same.
It's a different material, babe. I mean,
They look amazing, period. So good, I'm so excited.
yeah, it's true.
Got our new handles in. I ordered them from Amazon. They're matte black, and they look amazing. They were 15 of them for $35. So we had to buy 2 packs. It's about 70 bucks to do the whole kitchen. And they look so good against the white. I'm really, really happy with them. So we're gonna install them all real quick and then show you what they look like. We are so happy with the way it turned out. It looks amazing, and honestly, the paint really brought out the character in the cabinets that you didn't really even notice before. I mean, you can really see the slats, and I think my mother-in-law called it like a very cottage cabinet, and it really does look great. This is a rental, in case you guys forgot. So we did cut some corners, like the backsplash is not a real backsplash, it's a peel and stick, and the hood vent's yellow, which obviously that's making me not so happy, and that's probably going to be on the to-do list soon. And I don't love the countertops, but again, it's a rental, so we don't want to put too much money into it, but we also want it to feel like us and feel like home to us, because we have spent a lot of time here. And we kind of did a marrying of the white and gray that is so popular for kitchens right now. That's very much the trend. So our floors are more of that gray taupe, but then we brought in the white with the cabinets and the backsplash. And I'm just really happy with the way that it turned out. It feels like us, it's got personality, it looks fresh, and it looks clean. And I love clean. That's what I go for when I design any space. So I hope you guys like it as much as we do. Let me know in the comments below what you think. And don't forget to visit me on my blog, angelalanter.com. I'll post more pictures of the kitchen, and I will link everything that we used for anybody that has questions about the paint, the handles. I'll link the handles, they're from Amazon, everything. So I hope you guys love this video. I love you guys so much. Au revoir. Okay, first up, we are going to talk about unmentionables. My panties aren't this small. I just have them folded. And if you've seen my closet tour, then you know how I fold my underwear. But these are my undies. These are my Amazon undies, and honestly, I do